Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mani. So I do have on one coat of UNT Peel Off Base Coat, and the color that I will be using is Hall Pass by from Color My World Dips, and I will be using Color My World Dips Odorless Dip Base Liquid. And so Color My World Dips is a shop on Etsy. I do love her dip powders. I've been using them for probably a year now, if I'm not mistaken, a year or just about over a year. And so Hall Pass is a really nice, I think, year-round red. You can use it for Christmas, I think. Well, I think that's what I believe, my opinion. 4th of July, or if you just, or Valentine's Day. So yeah, nice red. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application, and we're going to be doing some kind of snowflake themed nails. 2 coats of dip powder on all 5 nails before I go in and activate. And again, activator makes the dip powder hard and prepares it for filing and buffing. I do have a little bit of dip powder on the side of my thumbnail, and I'm just filing that off because if I activate, it's going to be just hard and just makes it harder to get off. And so I'm doing that while the dip powder is still soft. And so I'm going to go in and apply 2 coats of activator to each nail, and then I will do my filing and buffing after about 5 minutes, and I will do that off camera. Okay, so this is after filing and buffing, and I forgot to mention, yes, I did cut my nails because my pinky on my right hand actually broke, like down to the nail bed, and I'm just sitting here looking at it right now, and it bled, but it didn't hurt, which was strange. But so I just decided to chop them down to make them less breakable, let me say it that way. Kind of do like the shorter nail shape. I can get things done. But anyway, so I'm going in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's gel base coat. It does require a UV LED lamp, and so I'm trying to apply a very thin coat to my nails, and I'll show you or tell you why in a minute. But I'm just trying to keep that application thin, just cleaning up any excess gel polish on the nail before curing. And so I'm just applying it very, very thin, or thin as I can get it, to all 5 nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And if I'm not mistaken, this gel base coat is a HEMA free gel base. I think all of her gel polishes are HEMA free. And so after curing, I'm going to go in with 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉's Let It Snow gel top coat. And I did purchase this last year, but I never used it. And so I'm just showing you my broke little pinky over there on my right hand. And so this is a clear gel polish top coat that has bits of white in there where you can kind of do a snowflake type effect on your nail. And so I'm just applying this. It's kind of hard to get those pieces on the nail without putting a lot of gel polish on your nails. And so I'm just moving those around, and then I'm flash curing, but I will do that on all 5 nails. And you can do as many coats as you like, but I only wanted to do 1 coat because I did not want to lose the shape of my nail, which I did just a little bit. So after I got that on all nails, I did cure for a full 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And so now I'm going to go in and do some extraness. Yes, I am. I'm going in with 𝒊𝒔𝒉's. These came in a mini 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 box, I think last year. It's kind of snowflake themed. And so I'm just cleaning off my stamper, my normal method on my sticky pad. You can use a lint roller. I'm using Bam White by 𝒊𝒔𝒉. And so you want to clean your plates off with acetone before you use them. And I've already done that off camera. And so I'm going to go in with like the falling snow on the stamper, scraping, picking that up, and I'm going to stamp that on my middle finger. And then I'm going to go in with some snowflakes on my index finger, my middle finger, and my ring finger. And then I'll clean up excess with a cosmetic Q-tip and some acetone off camera. And then I'm going to go in off camera as well and apply 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 Dips No Wipe gel top coat, and it is HEMA free, and it cures for 60 seconds in an LED lamp, but I didn't hit record when I did that. And so I'm just going through the stamping process. Of course, before I apply the gel top coat, I do allow some time for the stamping to dry, usually about maybe 5 minutes. And I had used my USB desk fan to help dry the stamping polish faster. So I just added some little cuticle snowflakes on my ring finger and my index finger, just stamping some snowflakes on the nail. I think that would have been cute with blue. I do have a nice blue dip powder that I want to use. Maybe I'll do some foil snowflakes, because you can do whatever you want. You can draw them, but I can't draw, so I'm not even getting ready to attempt to draw snowflakes. And this actual plate is a layering plate by Maniology, so you can, there's different snowflakes on here that you can stamp multiple images, but I chose not to do that. And so just give a little something extra to the nail. And so here are my nails top coated, nice and shiny, something simple. I'm applying cuticle oil because you want to rehydrate your skin and nails. So guys, please like this video if you found value, leave a comment and let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next week.